Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. I got 2 new cookbooks here that I wanted to share with you. And each book has 1,000 different recipes from the Amish. And I really like this because it was a great price and there's so many different recipes here. It's just pumpkin raisin cookies, oatmeal cookies. It's just fantastic. Mint dream bars. And these recipes have been handed down, and I find them to be quite unique. This one appears to be more of a dessert one, which is very helpful. Very forward recipes, and I'm very excited to try them all. And I hope you as well can experiment with different types of food. Here we have, different barbecue chickens and stuff. And then I also love the pictures on the front. Just stunning. And then here's the second one. It's very beautiful. Simple covers. Look at the binding, but it's so worth it. Hot pepper butter. Sour cream. How to make your own sour cream. How to make your own cheese curds. How to do all kinds of canning. Pumpkin whoopie pies. German chocolate drops. Raisin molasses cookies. It's just fantastic. I'm just so excited to start a banana cake. Carrot cakes, you name it. Stuff like this is so helpful to really discover the classic recipes of America. People think Burger King and McDonald's is American food, but no, the Amish really have a great taste of one version of American food, and I really am excited. So hopefully you can get into that too. On Etsy I bought these books. If you just look in Amish cookbooks, you'll get the Amish trading post, and if you don't know, the Amish drive this little cart. And alhamdulillah, I'm so thankful. It's super exciting to really think about all the different things I'm gonna make and practice with. So hopefully you're having a great day, and talk to you soon.